two super rich guys who used to be best buddies. Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX guy, and Donald Trump, former president. They were so close last year. Trump gave Elon a fancy gold key.
A very special, that I give to very special people. I have given it to some, but it goes to very special people, and I thought I'd give it to Elon as a presentation from our country.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elon.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Elon wore a Make America Great Again hat. They promised to fix the government together. Life was good. But then, Trump wanted to pass a big new law, the BBB, Big Beautiful Bill. It had lots of tax cuts and spending. Elon hated it. He went on Twitter, well, X, and yelled, "This bill is terrible. Shame on you, Donald." Trump did not like that. He fired back on his own app, Truth Social. Elon is ungrateful. I'm taking away his government money. He meant subsidies/tax breaks for Tesla and SpaceX.
Elon's upset because we took the EV mandate. Look, Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if we will anymore, but I'm very disappointed in Elon. I've helped Elon a lot. I don't know what it is. It's sort of Trump derangement syndrome.
Elon got really mad. "Without me giving you money for your campaign, you would have lost the election. Dems would be in charge. You're welcome." Trump hit back hard. He basically said, "Fine, I'll make Tesla's stock crash." And guess what? It did. Tesla lost $150 billion in value in hours. Ouch. Elon tried to fight dirty too. 1. He threatened, "I'll stop giving NASA rockets. No more astronauts for you." He backed down 2 hours later. 2. He said, "Let's kick Trump out." Put his VP, J.D. Vance, in charge. Vance immediately said, "Nope, I'm loyal to Trump." Awkward. 3. He hinted Trump was in Jeffrey Epstein's secret files, but had zero proof. Meanwhile, the internet was laughing. AOC, politician. "OMG, the girls are fighting."
Elon Musk and President Trump on Twitter right now.
Oh man, the girls are fighting, aren't they?
Kanye West. "Guys, stoop, hug it out." Regular people, this is like a bad reality TV show. Even Hamas joked, "Can Elon and Trump have a ceasefire too?" Philosophers pondered, who gets custody of J.D. Vance? How it may be ended.
The country should be asking is, in the divorce of Elon Musk and Donald Trump, who gets custody of J.D. Vance? I mean, let's hear from the vice president. Is he on Team Musk or is he on Team Trump? I think that's the first question.
You mean just in terms of the spending? The big beautiful bill.
In terms of the spending on the bill, does he agree with Elon Musk or does he agree with Donald Trump? In terms of the tariff policy, does he agree with Elon Musk or Donald Trump? In terms of the ban on international students, does he agree with Elon Musk or Donald Trump? He kind of wants it both ways. He wants Musk's money and he wants Trump's endorsement, and he's sort of caught in between in the divorce. And I really think the vice president should have to answer on whose side is he on.
Other rich guys like investor Bill Ackman stepped in and said, "Guys, chill. You're freaking out the whole country." Elon and Trump sort of agreed to talk it out. But nobody knows if they made up or just stopped yelling for a minute. The big lesson? Even billionaires act like kids in a schoolyard fight. 1 minute they're BFFs sharing gold keys. The next they're trying to bankrupt each other on X.
Elon's upset because we took the EV mandate. Look, Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if we will anymore, but I'm very disappointed in Elon. I've helped Elon a lot. I don't know what it is. It's sort of Trump derangement syndrome.
And the rest of us? We just grab popcorn and watch the drama. So here we stand. Two titans. Bruised egos the size of SpaceX rockets. A tax bill slightly dented. And the American people? Left wondering. Was this the stable, grown-up leadership we were promised? Or just proof that even billionaires aren't immune to the oldest virus known to man? Petty. Like the video, comment, share, and hit subscribe for more video like this.